you ever tried to make an egg roll at home and have been disappointed in the outcome? This video is for you. Today I am going to show you everything you need to know about making this restaurant style Chinese egg roll at home. You might ask why this is called an egg roll. This is because the wrap is made with whipped pastries, which include egg. My name is Lola and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be using some shrimp. I'll be using some onions as well. This is my spring roll pastry right here. You can get that in the grocery store. I'll be using this coleslaw rainbow mix, and I'll also be using salt, ginger, garlic, black pepper, and chicken bouillon, and also some onion powder as well. Next, I'm going to be mixing water with a little bit of flour just to seal my wrap before I fry it. I'm going to set that aside for when I need it. Now I'm going to be frying my vegetables. So now I'm gonna pour my veggies. I usually don't cook it for too long because I like my veggies to be crunchy when I fry my spring roll, my egg roll. So I just cook it for like about 3 to 4 minutes, less than 5 minutes basically. It all depends on how you want to do yours. So I don't like mine to be too soft. I like it crunchy. So I'm gonna do that for a few minutes. Once this is done, I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to pour this in a bowl and put it in the fridge just to cool down. I'm going to let it cool for like another 30 minutes. Make sure it's cool because you don't want to put a hot veggies on your pastry because it's just going to melt basically. So I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes, and this is what I'm going to be using. So stay tuned, guys. Let me show you a hack that I use, so watch carefully. I'm going to split some of the pastry into two, like a triangle. So once I split that into two, I am going to set a wrapper down like a diamond, and also then I put a triangle right on top of it. Once that's set, I will put the filling right on top of the triangle. Then I will fold the wings in on both sides. And then I roll it gently. Once that's rolled gently, I tuck the sides in as well on both sides. And then I roll. And the next thing I am going to use the flour mix to seal. I'm going to seal it. And that's it. I'm going to show you guys a couple of times. All right, all done. This is all I wrapped so far today. I'm not gonna cook everything. I'm gonna put some in the freezer. This will last you for a while if you want to keep this in the freezer. Now let's start frying. Just take a look at this goodness, guys. This was so crunchy and tasty, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to follow this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as well. Click the subscribe button below, guys, for more videos like this. See you guys next time and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.